Thank you for choosing American Tent. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your pole tent. Please note that your model may look different from the one shown, but don't worry, the principles are the same. Your safety is important to us. Before getting started, make sure that you've contacted 811 or the utility locator service in your area to ensure it is safe to drive stakes into the ground. Additionally, be aware of potential weather conditions and always evacuate your tent during periods of extraordinarily high winds or lightning. After your site has been approved for safe staking, gather your tools and accessories. Then, lay out your tent parts. Cross-reference with the parts list to make sure everything is present and accounted for. Start by squaring the stake lines. There are many ways to do this. For more information, refer to the link at the bottom of this video. This is how Pete McVey does it for a 20 by 20 tent. Take the end of 2 tape measures and anchor them into the ground at the first corner of the stake line. Call it point A. Take the first tape measure, tape 1 as we'll call it, and draw it out 30 feet. It's 30 feet because the tent is 20 feet wide and each stake line is 5 feet. Anchor tape 1 into the ground. Call this point B. Take tape 1 and add 30 feet and turn 90 degrees. Draw the tape measure out to that measurement, so 60 feet total. Take the second tape, we'll call it tape 2, already anchored at position A, and draw it out to the diagonal measurement of 42 feet 5 inches. Where this measurement and tape 1 intersect is point C. Then draw out tape 2 to 60 feet and anchor it at point C. Take tape 2 and draw it toward point D, stretching tape 2 tight and anchoring it to the ground at 30 feet, where point D is. After squaring the tent, go back through and mark the positions of all the stakes and corner poles. Lay out the side poles and ratchets in the approximate position they will be in once the tent is up. Drive the stakes in vertically at all points located. If you're a 60-year-old man with the stamina of a Nordic god, use a sledgehammer to drive in the stakes. If you're a normal person, we recommend using a stake driver. Remove our old friends tape 1 and tape 2. Then roll out your drop cloth. Lay out your tent pieces. Your tent top may come in one piece or in sections. If needed, lace your sections together. Be careful to tie off the ends. Don't forget to cover the lace line with the rain flap. Confirm your poles are in their approximate positions. Attach ratchet straps to the stakes loosely. Loop your ratchet end through the side pole fittings. There are 2 kinds of people in this world. Those who can operate ratchets and those who cannot. Find a person who can and attach the ratchets and straps. Raise your side poles one at a time. Start at the corners of the shorter side of the upwind end. Insert the pole tip into the grommet hole, making sure your ratchets are properly tensioned, tighter but not fully tightened yet. Place your poles on pieces of plywood to prevent them from sinking into the ground. Leave all poles leaning slightly in towards the center of the tent for the time being. Move aside the drop cloth and raise the center pole. Remove your drop cloth. Fold it and store it as you would your grandmother's Hardanger table runner, dry, clean, and with care. Some models will have jumper ropes for the center poles. If you have them, secure them now. Refer to the diagram in the link below if needed. Use a tape measure from the side pole stake location to the opposite side pole stake location and mark at 15 feet, where the center pole will be. Place the center pole on that mark. Tension the 4 corner poles, bringing them vertical on their marks. Pick a corner pole, attach a string to it, and stretch it around the remaining 3 corner poles to make a box for pole alignment. Place the bottom of your side poles so they are touching the string. Finish by tensioning the straps to make the poles perfectly vertical. You've gone to the trouble of setting up this lovely-looking tent. Go the extra mile by detailing the straps. Fold or roll up the excess webbing and voila! Your tent is complete. Ta-da!